Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. and friends. We are from group 16, and let me introduce me, Nurrahma Agustina, and my friend is Widaningsih. Now, we will explain the material about Section 3, Reading Comprehension, Unit 4, and the material about finding pronoun reference. The first material will be delivered by me. Okay, pronoun are words that stand in for a noun in a sentence. Whenever pronouns are used, it should be unmistakably clear which noun the pronoun is standing in for. A faulty pronoun reference will result in a middle sentence and the confused readers. In the book, we can see explain the passage number one, the question number one example, the pronoun they in line, the pronoun they in line 4 refers to. Okay, the answer is R, A, B, C, D. Okay, to answer the first question, you should look before the pronoun they for plural nouns that the pronoun could refer to. And humid areas, insects, and these plants come before pronoun, so they are possible answer. Now, so the best answer to this question is a B. Okay, so the explain number two. Number two, the question explains the pronoun it in line 6 refers to the answer A or B or C and or D. To answer the second question, you should look before pronoun it for singular nouns that the pronouns could refer to. A very key, the sedue and insect come before the pronoun. So answer to this question is a C. Okay, then my friends, we didn't see.
Okay, thank you, Katrina. I will answer the question. The full moon that occurs near the equinox of the sun has become known as the harvest moon. It is a break moon which allows farmers to work late into the night for several nights. They can work when the moon is at its brightest to bring in the fall harvest. The harvest moon, of course, occurs at different times of the year in the northern and southern hemispheres. In the northern hemisphere, the harvest moon occurs in September at the time of the autumnal equinox. In the southern hemispheres, harvest moon occurs in March at the time of the vernal equinox. The pronoun it in line 2 refers to C, the harvest moon. The reason is because in this text we are discussing about the full moon, so it can be concluded that the word it refers to the harvest moon. Number 2, the pronoun they in line 3 refers to, the correct answer is A, farmers, because the those who do the harvest during the harvest moon are the farmers. Next, my dress, which means Mardi-Gras Day in French, was introduced to America by French colonists in the early 18th century. From the time it has grown in popularity, particularly in New Orleans. And today it is actually a legal holiday in several southern states. The Mardi Gras celebration in New Orleans began well before the actual Mardi Gras Day. Parades, parties, balls, and numerous festivities take place throughout the week before Mardi Gras Day. Tourists from various countries throughout the world flock to New Orleans for the celebration, where they take part in a week of non-stop activities before returning home for some much needed rest. Number 3. The pronoun it in line 2 refers to A. Mardi Gras. Text writer focus on the Mardi Gras as the main topic. Number 4. The pronoun they in line 8 refers to the correct answer is B. Tourists. Because it is the tourists who come from all over the world and flock to New Orleans for celebration. Next question. The financial firm Dow Jones and Company computers use unique statistics every hour on the hour of each of the business day of the year. And these statistics are known as the Dow Jones average. They are based on a select group of stock and bonds that are traded on the New York Stock Exchange. The Dow Jones average are composed of 4 different types of average. The average price of the common stock of 30 industrial firms. The average price of the common stock price of 20 transportation companies. The average price of the common stock price of 50 utility companies and an overall average of all the 65 stocks to compute the Vestas 3 average. Probably the average that is the most commonly used in the industrial average. It is often used by an investor interested in checking the state of the stock market before making an investment in an industrial stock. Number 5. The pronoun they in line 3 refers to B. The statistic. The word they refers to the statistic pronoun they are working on. Okay, number 6. The pronoun it in line 11 refers to A. The industrial average. The word it in the text instead talks about the industrial average. Thank you. Next question will be answered with Katina.
Okay, yeah. Next question is passage 4, question number 7 to 10. Okay. Question number 7 to text George Lucas Star Wars changed the direction of American film with some of the most ingenious special effects constructive for movie of its time. 22 months were spent on the special effects, including the 6 months needed to design the equipment and the more than 1,000 storyboards for the effect sequences. A special computerized camera called a Digistraflex was designed to give the illustration of real screen movement. This system controlled by the camera operator. Enable him or her to pan, tilt, and track around the model, always keeping it in focus. The background will movement from the shoot to shoot. Thus, the effect sequences could be back like music. Okay, on the more than 75 models, we were constructed with astonishing detail work. On the Rebel blockade, runners artists built a tiny cockpit all done to scale. The miniature laser cannons were fully motorized to swivel and tilt by remote control. The lightsabers were four side blades clothed with the reflective aluminum attached to a small motor. When rotated, they create the flashing light later enhanced by animation. Now, the question number 7. The word "some" in line 2 refers to you should look before the pronoun "some" for plural noun that the pronoun could refer to. So the best answer is the special effect. Okay. Number 8 in next slide, please. Okay. The next question, number 8 in line 7. The system refers to a special computerized camera, because before sentence explain about a special computerized camera. So the best answer D. Okay. So the question number 9 is the word "it" in line 9 refers to the in line 7 in line 9. To answer the question number 9, you should look before the pronoun it for singular nouns that the pronoun could refer to. So the best answer to this question is answer B, camera. Okay, next to question number 10. The word "they" in line 18 refers to the C, because before sentence explain about the lightsaber and for side blades. So the best answer is C, for side blades. Okay. Okay. So the conclusion to determine the pronouns we can see on slide number 3. Nah, pronoun reference. How to identify is the pronoun blah 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 in line X. X refers to which of the following? Where to find the answer? The line where the pronoun is located is generally given in the question. The noun that the pronoun refers to is generally found before the pronoun. And next, how to answer the question. Number 1, find the pronoun in the passage. The line where the pronoun can be found is generally stated in in the questions. 2. Look for the nouns that come before the pronoun. 3. Read the part of the passage before the pronoun carefully. And number 4 is eliminate any definitely wrong the answer and choose the best answer from the remaining choices. Okay, that's all we can say. Sorry for the many mistakes in this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.